Good evening, everyone. Hims and Hers, easy money right now. $28, $6.2 billion valuation. At these prices, this is a steal right now. Looks like it peaked around $68, $70 back in February when the market was up. It's pretty much the same price as it was back in fall, so this is a good re-entry point. Sort of dollar averaging cost if you were purchasing around the $40s, $50 range. I mean, let's just look at the charts real quick. So we're on the monthly. RSI is still hovering just around 50. So it's not currently overbought or oversold right now. So back in February, you could see it was kind of overbought. And that's when it peaked at around $72. And it's slowly coming down right now. Looks like there's also about to be a crossing on the MACD on the downside. What I'm thinking is, since earnings is coming up soon, that's in about 2 weeks. What I think is going to happen is they're going to release some bad news. We probably have a little bit of downside in the near term, but I do feel like they are going to post some good earnings. And again, guys, remember, one of the reasons why Hims is coming back down right now, it is a highly shorted stock. Over 32% of the shares sold float. I mean, if we were just on Twitter earlier, almost 61 million shares are shorted. That's 30% of the float. That's an insane amount of shorts on this stock. I don't know anyone who would short this stock. But yeah, this thing's on a launch pad. This thing's ready to launch. Let's take a look at the annual data. Let's just take a look at a couple things. There's not a lot of shares. Only 222 million shares outstanding. That's actually not too many shares. Let's just take a look at Hims institutional investing right now. So these are the latest reported institutions that are getting in Hims and Hers. New York State Teachers Retirement, 4-25. This is tonight. This is today. They just bought 94,000 shares. That's a huge one. Kessler Investment, over 100,000 shares. Raymond James Financial, over 700,000 shares purchased. So there's a lot of institutions piling in right now. 28,000 shares. There's not a lot of shares out there, so make sure you get yours. Total revenue. Check out this insane growth that Hims and Hers is having. Total revenue for 2023, $872 million. Up 69% year over year to $1.4 billion in revenue. These are insane numbers. Usually we want to see revenue growing 25, 50%. They're pushing over 60, 70% year over year growth. Great profit margins. Looks like it's been hovering around the 77 to 81%. This is a money generating machine. And of course, net income for 2024, they posted first ever positive net income for the company. Check out this earnings per share growth. They posted 0.58 earnings per share in 2024 versus negative 11 cents in 2023. That is up 627% year over year. That is huge earnings per share growth. This stock is a no-brainer. $28, $6 billion valuation. Look at these beautiful charts. This is the number of subscribers. They currently have 2.2 million subscribers. And Andrew Dunham, CEO, did say in 5 years they do expect to have 10 million subscribers. Hims free cash flow, they have quarterly revenue exponentially growing. And again, for 2024, first positive net income for this company. So annual fundamentals looking good. So 1.4 billion in revenue, like even the price sales ratio for this company, if we just do it real quick, 6.2 billion divided by the 1.4, that's going to give us a price to sales ratio of 4. That is super low. This company is a steal. Remember, guys, the drama that's happening right now, I mean, look at this website. Super clean. Again, the drama happening right now is because people just think this is a GLP-1 company. Basically, people forget that Hims and Hers is a platform company, and they're going to be the main distributor of drugs online. They're pretty much going to be the Netflix of healthcare if they could keep things up. Our platform can unlock solutions for millions of potential customers. I mean, there's so many things that they could get into and sell online. Testosterone, menopause, digestion, diabetes. There's just so many categories that they haven't even offered yet. And they are going to be the platform that will let you be able to bypass the doctor's office, bypass face-to-face contact with doctors, and do everything on your phone. They are going to be that platform. But yeah, $28, $6 billion valuation. This might be not financial advice, but this might be your last chance to be able to buy this great company at these price levels. And you want to hold long term. We'll keep it short. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.